This is our Windows Server 2019. Open Run and type ncpa.cpl command to verify our server's IP details. I am using here class C IP addresses 192.168.100.50, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, default gateway and preferred DNS server as per my router configuration, and in alternate DNS server I am using one of the Google default DNS. Everything is okay. Close it. Click on Add Role and Features. Click on Next. Keep as it is and Next. This is our server name, Server 2019 with given IP. Click on Next. Select the checkbox beside Active Directory Domain Service. Click on Add Features. DNS server role also here, but no need to select it. With Active Directory Domain Services, it will automatically get configured. Next. So far so good. Next. Click on Next. Select checkbox beside Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click on Yes. Now click on Install. Done. Now click on Close. Check notification flag and click on Promote this server to a domain controller. Select Add a new forest. Type here the domain name. Example, ocm.com will be the domain name of this server. Click on Next. Leave it as default and set a password of the directory services restore mode. Next. 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 Again Next. This is an overview of our configuration setting. Next. Click on Install. After auto restarting, our server is now domain associated. Give a look. DNS server has been auto installed with ADDS. Our configuration done successfully. Hope you guys understand and like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.